Uyabona ke comrade, sengiyitholile mina into abayikhalelayo ama comrade akhalela into eyodwa ne. So ngoba ubona nje lengxabane khona MK ini akhalelwa nje into eyodwa lana. Kuyeke lokhu ukuthi appointwe obani is not that much lokho ne. Bakhala into eyodwa. Bakhalela ukuyobona uZuma enkandla. Bakhalela nje ukuyodla nje ugqoko, bakhalela nje ukuyothola lo lagqoko lole nama snacks. Iyona into abayikhalelayo ngoba ubona begcwelelana ko TikTok bekhala ukuthi bakhalela nje ukuthi hayi asisakwazi ukuyobona uZuma. Ayikho nje into ekhona. And azike ukuthi labo bantu abakhalayo ukuthi asisakwazi ukuyobona uZuma akhala ama ground forces. Akhala ama ground forces laba bakhalela ukuthi abakwazi ukubona uZuma. Kukhala laba abasekhundleni serious noma kade besekhundleni serious. Angithi they were able ukuthi bayingenele bayiphumele enkandla bebadmouth abanye abantu benze njani shothi abantu sebeya remove ekhundleni balethe intelligent engekho abanye uyabona. So bakhalela leyo nto nje. Iyona into abayikhalelayo. Bakhalela ukuyobona uZuma nje. Yazi omunye uzuya resign eParliament because udinga le audience le ukuthi hayi ngifuna ukuthi ngiyobona uZuma mina. Hacaba ngifuna ukubona uZuma othi ngiresign wathi ngaresign uZuma uzongifonela or uzobu wavela ayithulela nje nxamana tu wabu uzokhala ko TikTok manje selokho ngaresign angaze ngithola ngishicall. Angiyahleka mina yeso. Angaze ngithola ngishicall icorrespondence nje eqhamuka lapha eofisini lepresidency or kupresident selokho ngaresign lokho kuresigna kwakho wawufuna attention. Lethe ekhalwayo nje kuze wena influencer abantu ukuthi benzeni lana on social media bakhalela iattention. Bafuna ukubona not ukuthi khona into engahambi kahle emawadini emabranchini. There's nothing wrong. Into abayikhalelayo bakhalela ukuyobona uZuma. Angithi mabekhalela ukuyobona uZuma bafuna ukuthi bafike lapha kuthiwa hayi uchief whip uyabheda Zuma yabona wenza u1 no2 no3 yabona. Leader yethu laphana iyabheda enza u1 no2 no3. Awucabange ukuthi every leader inama weaknesses ayo yabona. Not unless leader uyabona ukuthi hayi lento ke manje isi beyond repair. Kufanele ukuthi ilungiswe. Uyabona. So yonke leader inama weakness. Cabanga wena uthi weakness ka chief whip let's say uDix laphana legislature uchief whip ne. Ukuthi angimani yobona unxamalala njalo. Kufanele nireport hayi uMarvin namhlanje wenza ukuthi kusasa kufika omunye hayi uMarvin namhlanje akambingelelanga umoya. uMarvin namhlanje ufike equmbile officeini uZuma ufuna la zonke lezo zinto ke kahle kahle iyona into ufuna yenze koZuma ngintshela iyona isona sikhalo sakhona. You see nje all the supporters and voters of the MK ababe right abantu abasibulalayo or abasibulele ama-spoil brat akade evulelwe lapha enkandla engena ephuma nanoma inini especially ngasikhathi sama elections ne nangalesa sikhathi nje uZuma nangalesa sikhathi uZuma ekwipension ne. So ama comrade had an access enkandla ne and njengamanje ama comrade wonke afuna ukuthi aflada enkandla so that azokwazi ukuthi abadmouth abanye abantu ne and taking ama pictures no president and bese yabuya zo spread the propaganda tubonile besisenkandla. Bonile besenkandla upresident uthe eqamba amanga ama comrades ama regions yazi ukuthi abefike enkandla ngesikhathi kuna lentozi siyangima elections enkandla take pictures with the president come back to the regions liqhamuka icomrade lesub region selithi hayi mina nguchairperson wesub region appointwe enkandla awucabange nje uZuma appoint uchairperson wesub region waseliko yabona. So ileyo nto leyenzakala yabona nje wonke lo msindo lokhona comrades iyekeni lento lena into engekho nje ngicabanga ukuthi nani seniyibonile ukuthi bakhalelana bakhalela ukuthi bafuna ukekadla yona cabanga nje indoda endiyala enomuzi wayo eney'ngane ikhalela nje ukuthi iyobona ubaba wakomunye umuzi ifuna nje ukuyobona ubaba kaThuthu lapha enkandla akaneke ubaba ka-Edward nakahlala nabo Edward Nkosi yami noma engasahlali no Edward kakhulu kunezingane zabo Edward laphana yabona nezingane zabo Brumet akehlale nezingane zosithokozile enkandla Nkosi yami ajabule nabazukulu. Nina nifuna ukuyomlethela indaba gossip ukuthi hayi ucomrade uconvener useshela umfazi kaComrade ucoordinator istructures sasebenzi kahle awucabangeke nje umsholozi ezengalali nje leyo nto umbonile uthi uZuma ufresh kanjani kule yabona ngibona upresident lapha noMacingwane ubeglowa upresident was glowing in the picture uyabona ukuthi office lakhe limanagwa kamnandi. I can tell you iorganization irana kamnandi. Allow the officials ukuthi barane organization if things are bad uJayzeth uzofika anikeze line of march, but for now there is no crisis nje sehlushwa obaba abadala abafuna attention. Yabona ungihlekisile lo nothi hey nga resign angaze ngifonela president angaze ngifonela nawuba wa resign nje wathi wena hayi uyashiya ukuba MPL is sharp wawufuna attention. Wawufuna attention. Hayi uZuma nje uyibambe kahle bakithi. Organization is running very well. Laba babona ngathi organization I run very well, it's fine. They can just step aside. Allow our ground forces are not even here. Most of the ground forces are not even here on TikTok. Go to what to now Richmond ngoba kuvotwa kwama by elections. You'll see the real ground force of the MK are on the ground mobilizing the people. Not ama cry babies afuna ukuyobona uZuma enkandla. MK is intent, MK is running smooth and uJacob Zuma umbonile ukuthi uyacwebezela ubaba uyabona ukuthi anisamlethele lezi inkinga ebengenasidingo uyabona ningifuna nikhale nize nithule and we're moving forward